Brad Williams, XL Prime. Show the retail price from the list price. How often do we go online and we see this list price? And oh my goodness, we see this unbelievable lower retail price. It's a common practice. This is how it's computed. We have a list price. We have a retail price. How do you get from point A to point B? This is whatever number you elect to put in there. I put a random number. It's going to go nuts on us. Let's just find something realistic. These are pretty crazy high numbers. 34, 9%. We're marking this down. All we're doing is C5 times 1 minus D5. 1 minus D5. We're taking 90.19% of this list price, and we're showing it here. Here's the proof. And the proof is E6, our retail price. Divide this by 1 minus D6. We're just inverting it. You could say here in E5, you could say this is your wholesale price. You want to mark it up to a retail price. You could just go 663, divide this by whatever your markup is, and that's your new price. It's simple algebra. Over on your right, read it if you need it. And here is the formula. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks for watching.